Sometimes you might have searched for someone's birthday for professional and private reasons. Let's just say that you want to hire someone and your age criteria can only be applied to some people in a certain age range. What are you going to do about it? Well, in this video, we'll show you the right method in this regard. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to cover a question that many of you have probably wondered about. How to find someone's birthday on LinkedIn. Whether it's for sending well wishes or just satisfying your curiosity, knowing how to do this can come in handy. So let's jump right into it and explore how to find someone's birthday on LinkedIn. So in order to find someone's birthday, you've got either two options. We're gonna first try the first option. So first of all, you need to search a person that you want to find her birthday. So let's say that I just type down the name of a person here. I'm just gonna click on her profile, and now in this part you will see that there are tons of options. One of them is contact info. So this is just so simple. You're gonna have to click on this option. Here we are. You can see the email address, the elected profile, and you will see the birthday date as well, which is February 12th. So this is the first option, and the other option is to look at the about section. So when you search someone here, and then you will, of course, you would open her profile, you would see the about option. Some people may not prefer to, write their birthday date here, and some people may just add their birthday in this section as well. But I do suggest you guys, in order to find someone's exact birthday date, you're gonna have to click on this option, which is contact info. And here we are. By following these simple steps, you can find someone's birthday on LinkedIn and send them your best wishes. Bear in mind that not every single LinkedIn user turn on their birthday notification, so by chance you may not find some user's birthday. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. See you next time.